5 ways to stop being salesy on Facebook. Do you want to sell things online but not come across spammy or salesy? This video is for you. It's actually possible to sell things online and have people want to see your content at the same time. The Parisi Pack. When I first got started with online marketing, my biggest fear was that I didn't want to be that girl on Facebook. I'm sure you know what I mean. The one that's always posting product pictures and being like, hey, help me hit my goal. And so my goal was to really nail down attraction marketing, which if you haven't seen this video, check out this video because I talk a lot more about this topic. But today we're going to talk about some specific things that you can do to stop being too salesy online. Number 1, don't talk at people. Selling is actually about building relationships and finding out if there's actually a need for the solution that you're selling, which if you haven't seen this video on how to have better sales conversations in Messenger, check it out. People are looking for genuine connection, so engage with them. How to stop being salesy on Facebook. Number 2, understand that people don't care about your product. That's right. They actually really don't care about your product at all. What they do care about, people care about what your product can do for them. So focus on your customer. All messaging should be aimed at how you're going to improve their life or what they're going to miss out on by not taking up your offer. Check out this video on customer experience, which is totally different than customer service, by the way. So you can figure out how to really serve your people and improve their life. How to stop being so salesy on Facebook. Number 3, use marketing psychology. Now I go over a lot more of the psychology behind marketing in this video, Marketing Shortcuts. So check it out to really become a master on this subject. But the overview, colors can make us feel different things. FOMO is super powerful. People don't want to miss out. Create emotion through storytelling, which I talk about how to create emotion a lot with successful stories, the vertical stories on Facebook in this video. And then how to use social proof to your advantage, meaning like people love to follow the crowd. So again, you can dive into social proof in this video. And then the idea of giving before you get, or reciprocity. This is super important in marketing because when you do something for someone, they're going to naturally feel like they need to do something for you. All of these are elements of marketing psychology, and they can really help you become way less salesy, and people will actually feel so connected to you. Next up, stop being so salesy on Facebook. Number 4, get to know your audience. Really get behind the mind of your network. Do you understand your target client's motivation? What are the demographics of your customer base? For me, most of them are busy moms. They don't have much time to work their business. Helping a busy mom is very different than someone who is working in a corporate job 8 to 5. Now, neither is better than the other, but the life is going to look different and their problems are going to be different. Things like this can even affect the platforms that your ideal client is hanging out on, and then also how you're going to speak to them and your brand voice and the examples that you use, even like an example that I just gave in this video. Your brand voice, your appearance, which if you need to work on your brand, check out this video, The Riches Are in the Niches, because even my appearance tailors to my ideal customer. Next up, stop being so salesy. Number 5, give away lots of free value. Every single YouTube video I create has legit value that someone can take and apply and use in their business without ever purchasing anything from me. I believe so strongly in this. You need to test someone out. See what they're giving away for free, because I can guarantee you, if that's what they're doing for free, how much better will their paid program be? This is my philosophy. Now, I know some people believe that you should be charging low ticket prices for workshops or not to use free products, but I'm a big believer in it. This is reciprocity in action, and it can really help you build the trust connection with your viewer. So what does this look like practically? Create and publish tons of free value. A great idea for this is a lead magnet. Check out this video on 20+ lead magnet ideas, or you can go to the description of this video and grab my free guide that has 15 unbeatable post and story ideas. None of them are salesy, but they'll help you win in your business. Another simple way to give out free value is to answer questions. I know that in my free group, Create Stories That Sell, which if you're not a part of it, please check out this video. You can go to stephanieparisi.com and click on Create Stories That Sell to join the group. But in the group, I ask questions, and then when people give their answers, I pop into the comments and I answer questions and just provide value and discuss things one-on-one with people in that group. This is something that you can do as well. You can focus on helping people and not just selling. At the end of the day, people are going to want to buy from you because of the help that you're providing them. Go to stephanieparisi.com and click on the pack membership if you want to learn more about the marketing membership that I have for entrepreneurs, where Attraction marketing and how to sell online without being salesy is my best skill set. I can teach you more tips and tricks on how to do this too. And in the membership, you receive free access to my course, The Secrets of Social Selling, where I give you 9 specific secrets on how to sell online and get people reaching out to you every single day for your offer or product. Before you hop off my channel, check out either of these 2 videos that are popping up on the screen. They're here to help you win in your business. And I'll be back next week with another new video.